Hello children, last class we saw about the shape and the size of the cells and the importance of cell in living organisms. Today we will see about cell structure and function. See, cell structure and function. Already you know that cell is the structural and functional unit of all living organisms. Each living organisms has many organs. Now, if it comes to multicellular organisms, they have many organs, and organs will lead to the organ system. And each organ in the system performs different functions, various functions. They are specialized. For example, digestive system. I am talking about human beings, even otherwise, even for all the other higher animals. This is human digestive system. See, each organ in the system performs different functions. For example, digestive system. See, digestive system is meant for digestion, and these are the organs which constitute the human digestive system, and it's meant for digestion. So what are they? This is a complete digestive system. You have the liver, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, and spleen. Everything related. It's meant for digestion of food. Okay, so it is responsible for digestion, assimilation, that is a digested food through blood. It will be taken by the cells. Okay, then absorption. So digestive system means it is meant for digesting the food. We take food that will be converted, the complex food substances will be converted into simpler forms, and through blood it will be reaching our cells. So digestive system means for digestion. Like that we have so many organ systems. Okay, this is for example. Excretory system is meant for excretion. Respiratory system, pair of lungs, it's meant for breathing. Okay, same thing, this is for animals. In plants also the same thing happens. For example, plants, roots, if I take a particular part, roots. Okay, roots helps in the absorption of water and minerals from the soil. Okay, we pour water, so it absorbs water and minerals from the soil, and it will be just distributing to the other parts of the plant. So root is meant for absorption of water and minerals. Okay, so each organ in the system performs different functions. For example, here root, there digestive system. Okay, then we are going to see about the parts of the cell. Parts of the cell, earlier I just have mentioned about the cell membrane. Okay, that forms that gives a shape for the cell. The basic components of the cell or the cell membrane. Cell membrane is otherwise known as a plasma membrane, and cytoplasm and nucleus. The cytoplasm is a jelly-like internal substance, and the nucleus a prominent thing which we see in the center of the cell. And the cytoplasm and the nucleus are enclosed within the cell membrane. Enclosed within the cell membrane. This is an animal cell, a very rough diagram for you to understand. This is the cell membrane or the plasma membrane. Okay, inside you can see this part is a jelly-like substance, cytoplasm, and you can see the various cell organelles. Okay, cell membrane, I'm just insisting, this is the cell membrane or the plasma membrane. The cytoplasm, nucleus, and other cell organelles are enclosed in the cell membrane. And cell membrane is porous. That is the nature of this membrane. Okay, cell membrane is on this is water. This actually it is a plant cell. Okay, here this is water. In addition to the cell membrane, they have the cell wall that I'll tell you. Okay, this jelly-like or gel-like fluid that fills the cell, that is the cytoplasm. This is the cytoplasm. And I said this is what the other all nuclear membrane. You have cytoplasm, nucleus, which is surrounded by the nuclear membrane, cell membrane or the plasma membrane. Typical structure of a cell. And porous. This is what the cell membrane. I am talking about the plasma membrane of the cell membrane. It is porous. Minute pores will be there, and it allows the movement of substances both inward and outward. You can see the substances moving inward and outward. So it is porous. It allows movement of substances both inward and outward. Okay, so that is the cell membrane. It is porous. Okay, and I said about the cell wall. Okay, this is a plant. I showed you the plant. This is the cell wall. Actually, cell wall, in addition to the cell membrane, you have cell wall in plants and bacteria. Some of the bacterial cells have got cell wall. Okay, and the central round body, that is a nucleus, and this cell membrane gives shape to the cell. Okay, and cell wall is present in plants. That is for protection. Okay, it gives rigidity to the cell and for protection against temperature variation. This one, temperature variations, high wind speed, atmospheric moisture, everything, so many other things. Why? Because you know very well, animals can move from one place to another where plants cannot move. So they have to withstand the variations in temperature, climatic conditions, everything. They can't keep moving from one place to another. So to protect them from the extremes of temperature, humidity and other things, the presence of cell wall or cell wall is present in plant cell. Okay, so that is the important thing. And cytoplasm, I showed this part is a cytoplasm. Various cell organelles are seen in the cytoplasm. What are the cell? This is mitochondria, which plays a significant role in cellular respiration, and Golgi apparatus. These now you can see this is what the plasma membrane or the cell membrane. Nucleus, you can see this mitochondria and some of the cell organelles, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum. All these are the cell organelles which plays a vital role in the function of the cell. Okay, so I think I made almost everything clear, and next class we'll see about nucleus, importance of nucleus and the differences between plant cell and animal cell. We'll see about the nucleus. Okay, here also it's given a book, also given nucleus. You have the cytoplasm. I said that is what the gel-like substance. Nucleus is present. Okay, next class we'll see about nucleus and the differences between plant cell and animal cell, because in plant cell you have the coloring agent, plastids are present only in the plant cell and more vacuoles are there in plant cell. Okay, that and all we'll see in the next class. Okay children, have a great day.